In this video, we are going to go through how to activate a dosimeter. You will be using the HAVSco home screen to activate a dosimeter. The user list is located at the bottom left of the screen. Select the user you wish to activate. They will be highlighted in blue. Next, select the User Activate button. A pop-up will appear asking for the PIN number of that user. The default is 1234. Next, click OK. After you have done this, the dosimeter will start the activation sequence. Under the dock serial number, the status will change to Activating Sequence. The user will then be randomly assigned a dosimeter, and activation will take place. When the dosimeter is ready to take, the status will tell you to take the dosimeter from a certain port. The LED on the dock will also flash when the dosimeter is ready to take. Remove the dosimeter from the dock and it will be ready to measure vibration. You will have about a minute to take the dosimeter from the dock. If the dosimeter hasn't been taken, then it will return back to standby mode. To prove the dosimeter is active, a red LED will flash once every 4 seconds. After you have finished measuring vibration exposure, place the dosimeter back into the dock. It will automatically upload the data to the computer.